Sometimes people ask me, Jim, you met Nick Costco 8 years ago. What made Nick stand out? And it's pretty easy. Patterns of success, patterns of winning. Nick had won in just about everything that he'd ever done in his life. And he'd been recognized for that. He was like barely 40 years old and he was on the board of a major organization. But as a pilot, he learned that he had the job that everybody wants in his town. In Louisville, Kentucky, if you're a pilot for UPS, you're in the top less than 1%. And everybody goes, oh, you're a pilot with UPS. Man, you got great benefits. Man, you got a great pension. All of these things. But Nick had something way more valuable than that. He had 4 kids under the age of 6. He had a beautiful wife that's taking care of all these kids. And Nick had to go fly. Now, how much would they have to pay him if he got a choice? Hey, I can go fly or I can stay home and help other people and I get to see my kids every day. Well, it was a pretty easy decision for Nick. And if you want to hear more about his story, go to our community.createtailwind, and ask him.